Hi and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chantal and I will be doing a little a meatloaf. I'm gonna show you how to cook it fast. So just continue watching and I will give you my tips after. So this is a very simple recipe. You put everything inside the meat. So it's ground beef. This is 1.5 kilo, approximately 3 pounds. So I put one onion inside already that I cut very tiny. We're gonna add salt, pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, little thyme, we're also gonna add a little concentrated of beef, just small, like a teaspoon or so. We're gonna add one egg. You can add some oatmeal. You could use also some bread to some breadcrumbs or some bread that mixed with milk. In that case, we're gonna use a little bit milk too for in our preparation, and some ketchup. Oops, it's not open. It's brand new. Okay, some ketchup. We're gonna use as well some crushed red pepper. Give it a little kick. That's enough. We are gonna bring a little sweet more with some brown sugar. In French, this one is cassonade. We're gonna put approximately 1 tablespoon. And we're gonna put some here. And we add some Worcestershire sauce. Give it a little smoke taste. That's it for the ingredients. Now I'm giving you my tip for cooking it fast. So instead of using a big meatloaf pan, which is going to take 1 hour, 1.5 hours to cook, so here I have a muffin pan. So I'm going to be using this to cook it faster. So it's going to make all small meatloaf. So we're going to mix all this together. Oops. Getting there, we don't want to overwork it, but we want the taste to be everywhere. That's pretty good. See, it's gonna hold nicely. We're gonna put inside muffin a pan, and that's it. It's gonna cook fast. Let's do that. So here I put a little bit of oil at the bottom on my pan, so it's going to be not stick. It's not supposed to stick, but still it's going to prevent it. So we're going to make nice little muffin. That's going to be very good. So I cleaned my gloves properly because I'm going to reuse them. So now it's time to put this one in the oven. We're going to cook this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 Celsius. So we're going to cook this for at least 30 to 40 minutes. So it's half the time of when you do a full meatloaf. So to serve with my nice meatloaf, with my small meatloaves, in fact, I'm going to, I have here a sauce, a bechamel sauce I already did. Of course, in the fridge, it take a little, it come a little bit thick. So I'm going to reheat it on the stove. I'm going to put potatoes and cheese, and we're going to grate this in the oven as well. So it's going to make a complete dish, complete supper. So let's cut the potatoes and reheat the sauce. So I'm going to peel the potatoes and then I'll cut them into small, tiny slices. And we're going to wash this. So I'll show you the result. So I'm cutting my potatoes by hand, very small, thin, but you can do with a mandolin or you can do with a robot. Here I put a water and then I'm gonna leave them for 15 to 30 minutes in the water. And after that, we're gonna drain the water and dry the potatoes so there's no more water left. So as you can see, it's going to fit very jam-packed in this small pan. So I slowly reheated my bechamel sauce I already had. I'm going to reuse it. I put some more milk and then I'm going to put the salt first and then the potatoes. Need enough salt. Missing a little bit more milk, and so I'm going to cook it. So my potatoes are completely covered. So we're going to cook them until they are soft, but not too much because we don't want them to be too mushy, and then we're not going to be able to put them in our bowl nicely. So we're going to cook this. So don't put it too hot, so you don't want it to burn. So medium should be good. And in the meantime, I'm going to clean up a little bit. So time to check our little meatloaves. Oh yes, they are done, that's for sure. Look at that. They're cute, eh? Smells very good. So we're gonna check if they are cooked. At the end, I put a little bit of, how shall I say, oatmeal on top before I cook them. See, there's a little fat on the ground, but this is gonna be, yeah, it's very tender. So here the crust is a little, oh yeah, look at that. See how tender it is? Mm. So I'm gonna make a sauce to go with that, with my potatoes. So you will see the result at the end. But this is very successful. and it's a small size, so children like it. Let's go again. Even if there's no sauce, it's so tasty and good with all the ingredients we put inside. Mm-mm. So the potatoes are almost done, but not completely. So we're gonna add some cheese inside, and we're gonna put them in the bowl after. So it's gonna make it nice cheese, cheddar cheese. This is a half strong cheddar cheese. I'm adding a little bit of garlic salt with pepper, and then we mix it. And as you can see, the potatoes still uh, stay with their shape. They're not too mushy, so they all break. So this is gonna go in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. My oven is still at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 Celsius. So my potatoes are ready. This is just beautiful. It's gonna be tasty with the cheese, with a little bit garlic. The when I did the first time my bechamel sauce, I put a little muscade, nutmeg, yep, nutmeg, and salt, pepper, everything. It's gonna be very good. It smells good. So we're gonna make a plate with our nice little meatloaves, and I have some green beans and a little sauce to put on it. So let's plate. So we have here our nice little meatloaves, which was made inside the muffin pan. So today was my muffin day because I did also some real muffins. I made muffins like that, which was with an apple and maple syrup, some oatmeal. So you can go check this recipe as well. Cut our nice potatoes. They are perfectly cooked. They are very soft. I'm gonna try to make a nice square. So it smells cheesy, it smells garlicky, everything we like with potatoes. Maybe you can also add the bacon inside, that would be awesome as well. So let's try to make it work. That's very nice. I have some green beans that I cooked as well with a nice color. They're nice, soft, but not too soft. And they're gonna go well with this. And I also made a little sauce. So the sauce I made with some, it's a half like a bot sauce, but I added a little twist inside. And voila. Oh, that's beautiful meal. That's gonna be very yummy. So let's taste this. Look at that. Nice meat. Okay, guys, so let's taste the meat first. Mm. A lot of flavors and already I have some already gone because they came, they already take it and leave. Let's try the potatoes. Bon appetit. Mm. Yep, they're very well balanced. It's creamy, it's rich, cheesy. Potatoes are perfectly cooked. So let's make our conscience feel better and eat some greens. It's always good. It's a very good plate. It's yummy. It takes half the time to cook the meatloaves this way. And with the potatoes, it makes a nice dish. So I hope you enjoyed these recipes. I will put all the details in the description below. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. And I hope you're going to make this and you're going to like it. So I will see you in the next recipe.